I am Steve from OneChip, and today I will talk to you about OneChip, our best and only product ever. Our motto is saving world hunger one chip at a time. We are also proud supporters of global starvation. That's why we make each bag very, very, very cheap. $5,099,000? That's crazy cheap! With a great cost comes with great taste and healthy ingredients. There's only 1,000 grams of acid. That's so little. Now for the chip reveal. Get this bag. Come on. Oh, here's the tail label. Oh man, I feel like a kid on Christmas. Look, come on. I mean, look at how many chips are in there. There's like 100 or something. Excuse me.